Okay, so hello and welcome back everyone. Today I'm Kevin from KevMC, and today I shall be filming on the next 7. So today I'm gonna be making a video on the Ducky Zero, which is a mechanical keyboard made by Ducky, and my lighting is all off. Okay, so this keyboard is essentially an MX Red board. Aside from the fact that there are some silent MX Reds over here and over here, and some MX speed switches over here and over here. Other than that, they're all MX Reds. They're all looped with krytox 25G0, and this thing is not the best board in the world, but let's come to that. Yeah. So first, I'm gonna be apologizing for the fact that my video looks like shit. At least on the screen, at least, yeah, it looks like shit. But I'm not sure what it's gonna look like in the final result. Okay, so it's a Ducky Zero, 2087S, right here, yeah. Hopefully you can actually see it. And it came with these things, which are keycaps. You got these like red keycaps, this one transparent or translucent keycap which is purple, and these normal keycaps which I've just pulled out of this thing. Also, you get this ducky thingy to replace the control button. Then next you have the keyboard itself. It sounds pretty good. Wait, what is this? This thing's noisy, but these things are quiet, see? These are Cherry MX Reds looped with krytox 25G0. Very smooth, I'd say. This is the MX Silent Red. Silent Red. Silent Red. Silent Red. This is an MX speed switch, silver. So this silver, loop red, silver and loop red. So it sounds quite a lot higher pitched than the thing itself. I mean the original reds, yeah. So this, as you can see, is painted purple, which is disgusting, I'd say. The paint job's also not very good. I'm not gonna zoom this thing in, but because it's so horrendously rubbish right now, yeah. But hopefully it's gonna get better. So, but it's not gonna get better, man. So yeah, slightly. Then let's see. These keycaps are pretty shit, honestly. ABS single shot laser colored legends, and the D key has worn off. The one in my spares, like file thingy. Then for the surface of the last used keys, they're pretty good, I'd say. Better than the G7X. I mean, what you call this thing? G7X. The G Pro X, the Logitech G Pro X, the feel. But yeah, it's pretty shit. Then let's show you the RGB, which I bought as broken. Turns out the FN key is broken, but the RGB is also broken. So as you can see, it only does this and not very much. So only these keys turn on, nothing else turns on. I think there's the resistor problem thingy where some resistors actually pop off the board and either burn or die, which is sad, but yeah, gonna live with this. I'm not gonna buy new resistors because I'm not sure that this thing will actually work after I do that, and I bought this thing for pretty cheap, and I'm gonna sell it for pretty cheap because of how shit the board is in, like the situation is in, yeah, so not very good. Then also I actually prefer non-backlit stuff, so this is how I use it normally. The reds, I mean the red thingies I'm only putting on because I actually don't like the blue, I mean the, what you call it, the black keycap on the D, because the D keycap actually has like this hole in it, which for some reason is there. So I think we should start on the typing test, which is gonna be always hard with the camera in the way, because my camera's up here, my screen's over there. So yeah, let's see. So 55 WPM, not shit, but pretty shit. Okay, so let me explain why it's so slow this time. It's because of the tripod being so close to the screen, number one. Number two, because of the feel of the switches. I'm not used to having grease in the switches, like krytox 25G0. I'm used to having oil in my switches, which is more like krytox 105G0. And to be honest, it's pretty different because actually it feels more like kills in this configure. It feels like you're pressing it down and it actually holds you down like a brick essentially. So it's a brick but not a very firm brick, like rubber. So that's what it feels. Not especially rubber lighting, but like rubber line, rubber wall. If it'd be rubber, then it'd be like rubber domes. But no, it's not rubber dome. It's more like a dampened feeling, which is, yeah, I think that's how I should describe this thing, dampened. So yeah, for functions, not very much is here. You don't have these delay buttons over here, a win lock, a 10 key rollover, which I'm not sure what the heck this thing is for. Like, why not just enable it from default? Then some volume settings and nothing else. So yeah, thank you for watching and goodbye. This is like the shortest keyboard review ever, I think, for me. But yeah, that is all I have to say about this Ducky Zero. It doesn't have anything fancy on the feet and nothing else essentially. So yeah, thank you and goodbye.